Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to download the TourPass app and then how to link your TourPass ID to your mobile app. So as soon as you make a purchase, you're going to receive an email from us that says welcome to TourPass. Your pass is ready. It's going to have these instructions. Number one, download our app. You can click either in iPhone or Android. Number two, once downloaded, enter your 6-digit pass ID number. And then number three, to use the map feature, be sure to allow your location to be shared. So I have an iPhone, so I'm going to click on the Apple icon here. It takes me to the App Store. I already have the pass installed, so I'm just going to hit open. And then I'm going to enter my 6-digit pass ID number. Hit connect, and it found the pass here, and I'm going to hit the login now button, and it now links it to my account. So the next video you're going to see is how to activate your pass.